Alright, so we're following the footpath up to the house because obviously there's nowhere else to walk. Look, there's Emily. Turn around, Emily. Say hi. You'll remember this one day 50 years from now. You go, oh, remember we had that big snowstorm where we got 30 inches of snow? Yep. You'll all appreciate that. Oops, I almost fell over. I see Emily drinking her hot chocolate.
Nothing but the sound of snow blowers.
Yes, nothing but the roar of snow blowers doing their driveways. Not that they can go anywhere because the road has not been touched.
Move along, iReporter.
This is Ron Hale, Channel 9, Damascus News.